How to set up reoccurring investments in Robinhood in under a minute. I'm not going to bore you with a bunch of yapping. I'm just going to show you exactly how to do this. So check this out right here. This is my Roth IRA account inside of Robinhood. And so I simply scroll down, I click find investments, and then I click pick stocks and ETFs. And this one, I pick SCHD because it's a high dividend. So I go and I search for that because I want to just contribute. I want to be consistently contributing to something that's going to be paying me a dividend. Um, and so that's why I pick that. I click add to basket at the bottom, and then I click continue. You could add more stocks, but see, this is where you get to choose. Like, okay, how often do I want to buy this? Do I want to buy it just one time right now? Do I want to buy it every market day, Monday through Friday? That's what I eventually pick. There's every week, every 2 weeks, every month. So I picked every market day, Monday through Friday. So I was going to buy this stock at this amount that I enter in here, Monday through Friday. And so I just want to buy $5 worth Monday through Friday. I'm picking my Roth IRA account. That's where it's going to be pulling the money from. I could add another account in case that money runs out there, but I'm not going to do that right now. I click on skip backup payment. I click review, like, okay, yes, this is exactly what I want you to do. I want you to do it on a recurring basis. And then at the very end, I swipe up to submit and the order is complete. Now, every Monday through Friday, I buy $5 of SCHD and it gets added to my IRA portfolio, my Roth IRA. And you could do this with any stock that you want or any ETF. So hopefully that's helpful for you. One of the reasons why I like to do this is so that I don't have to think whether the market's up, whether it's down. My money just goes in no matter what. This way I'm automatically dollar cost averaging into the market, which is I would rather set it up like this so I don't have to think about things instead of trying to beat the market. So hopefully that helps you. Share this with somebody else that you think it might help, or don't, but do whatever you want.